Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll show you how to wash and cut romaine hearts. So here's the romaine hearts. So this is the romaine lettuce, and it's usually much cheaper to buy it this way in a package as opposed to, those salad kits. So, and as you can see, they're not pre-washed. It actually says wash before serving. So that's what I'll show you how to do. So I'll just take out, this whole thing. So this is romaine hearts, it's called. That's how the romaine lettuce grows. So what I do is I first wash it and then cut it. So to wash it, I recommend, so here I have a whole pot of water filled all the way to the top with cold water, and just submerge the whole romaine heart in it and swirl it around. So this way the water gets inside if there's any dirt, because if you just rinse it on top, it will just wash the outer leaves but not inside. So you want to make sure that you're also washing it inside. And once you swirl it around in cold water, so this is washed. And now this stem, they always kind of get oxidized and brown. We just want to cut this off. It just doesn't look very pretty. Don't want to eat it. So this is gone. And now I'm going to just cut it into pieces. Just to serve it for salad. That's the kind of pieces you want. And I'm going to use a salad spinner to dry it. So if some are too big, you just cut it into smaller pieces until they're the size that you want. And now I'm going to put them in a salad spinner. Now, if you don't own a salad spinner, you can just dry them with paper towels, but the salad spinner is the best way to get them a little more dry quickly. So I put them in a salad spinner, and now I will spin it. So doing this removes water. So see, all this water was on the leaves. So now they're pretty dry, and if you want them a little more dry, again, you can just pat them with a paper towel to absorb any extra water. But now they're pretty much ready to be served in a salad. So that was super easy. And see how one romaine heart yielded so much lettuce? That would have been like a whole bag of packaged lettuce. Would be much more expensive. So this is very economical. Great way to get this lettuce at a great price, and it's also much fresher than the lettuce in bags that's already been pre-cut. So great method. Please try it, and for more easy recipes and cooking tips, please visit my site melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!